Hi, I thought I'd just pop in here today and just chat to you about a wonderful opportunity I found. If you, like me, reaching retirement age and wondering how you're going to be able to afford to retire, you're finding that employers either don't want to employ you anymore, or they won't let you work any longer. So it becomes tough as you get older, and the cost of living has caused a great deal of stress for people. But today I have got really good news for you. If you're looking to supplement your income or even replace your income with a proven blueprint that we provide you with, it's a very low cost to entry. It's a foolproof system. You have to just be coachable. You don't have to be a tech genius or just simple technology skills will do, but it is an opportunity that I would say shouldn't be missed. And if you're really keen and interested, please click the link below and I will send you more information. There's absolutely no obligation, there's no cost to your inquiry, no credit cards required. It's entirely in your hands whether you feel that it'll be a good fit for you, and we encourage you to just watch the videos. My mentor will give you a brief overview of what the business is about, and really if you want to earn $100 a day, that alone can make a huge difference in your life. But it's not limited to just $100. It depends on you and how much effort you're willing to put into it. But really a very exciting opportunity, and I really hope you're going to join me. It's an opportunity you can't miss. So I really look forward to seeing you on the inside.